lovely city of Baltimore. Send the prayers up for you. So all the families that were involved in the bridge collapsing, as well as the people on the ship and the captain of that ship. Hopefully there was no foul play. See if I can point it out on the video. That's not a bridge that I typically go across. You can kind of see it on the point here. But anyway, police are sitting there. Don't let people speed through here. These roads are terrible. Here we are back at the Under Armour campus. All right, we made it down here. Man, look at the city. Looks nice and peaceful. Next up, the reveal. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Hammer. Welcome to Hammer on Twos. Man, we're at the beautiful city of Baltimore, Maryland. We're actually at the Under Armour campus. Today, you came to this video to see what upgrades I've done to Platinum. Let's check it out.
All right, here we go. Man, check out my upgrades. So just to let you all know, I was gonna get carbon fiber dip. The guy was like, man, right now, I'm like 3 months out. And I'm like, 3 months? I can't be waiting that long. So I got it wrapped. So check it out. Let me zoom out some. There you go. Check it out. I want to add a little pop to it. Something different. Clean my chain. Man, that baby's looking nice and gold. So Advanced Branding Solutions, appreciate them doing this wrap. Man, bugs done hit it already. I wanted to bring it out when it was nice and sunny. And man, I had to take this bike apart just to get these pieces wrapped. So check it out. Also added more lighting. Lights are a lot brighter now. Check it out. In the ground like it's supposed to. And on my last reveal of the upgrade, you saw I did the clutch bypass. Put it in neutral. It's in neutral. So the only thing I have to do now is just where I gotta start, press the start button and just hold it on. There you go. Perfect. Come on, Suzuki. Just put that on all the machines, man. All right, y'all, so those are all the upgrades I've done. And again, the letters, row letters cemented on. Put those on as well. I tried to make sure whatever side you're on, you're able to see something, right? I'm on twos. Ooh, woo. Nice and clean, nice and clean. All right, y'all, make sure you send a prayer up for Baltimore and the individuals, the families that were affected about the collapse of the bridge. We're going to try to enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. And you know the NCAA games are coming on, so enjoy those as well. You know, live every day with a purpose and live your life. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed the reveal. Let's get another quick zoom in. A platinum. Until next time, peace.